Well, we got the car all together. Went to go hose it off, get all the dirt off of it from, I guess, 9 months of sitting in the shop. You see, still got a bunch of stuff all over the roof from the insulation that falls off the shop. Anyway, I'm hosing the car off, and all of a sudden, I opened the, not all of a sudden, but I opened the door and I got water pouring in inside the car right underneath the steering column. I'm like, oh my God, what is going on? Well, come to find out, the seal, somehow or another, got pinched. I don't know how that happened, but obviously it was pulled in, and you can see straight down to the floorboard down there. Oh, that's inside the car. So now what I got to do, I took it all apart. It's the computer and relays and some fuses and some other stuff. Got the battery disconnected. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna silicone this lovely piece of equipment inside there, and I'm gonna let it tack up for a while. I'm gonna do it upside down so it gets a nice bead inside there, and then I'm gonna put it back together. Brand new tube of silicone, about that open. Don't lose the cap. I don't like leaks, apparently. Everything leaks on these cars, though. Nobody likes leaks. So we silicone everything. Alright. Add a little bit to the damaged area. Let's get it back in there. It's kind of a chore. Let's get it in there. Yeah. Feed it. Feed it in there. You go on the inside and make sure that it's didn't come out again. I'm gonna take a peek. Alright. Let's get up in here and make sure that it's sitting in there, right? Like I said, I don't know how this thing came, but it was right here in this area. Alright. Looks like it's good. You see? Yeah. Can't see a whole lot, but. Alright. Alright, we got our nuts. We got 2 of them. Go back here and get this tightened down. Can't see where it goes. Now I gotta find these screws. We'll see them. So after looking for 4 days, 6 hours and 27 minutes, I found out where I put them. Put them where I couldn't lose them, which was in a drawer. Now we got it's got a bunch of these Torx head screws. It's their pain. Everything on it, I'll probably complain about this car the most, but I won't get rid of it. I like it. I like it when it's good. It's good. Oh yeah, that's where that other. Oh, I got another bolt that goes right here. Got another little nut. Yeah, I just keep on working on these things. Might as well. It's paid for. Every month. After it breaks. Let's see which one's bigger. This one. So the only way I can think is that somebody was in here before and didn't put it together right, which wasn't me. But I did get the car with like 50,000 miles on it, which was with a bad motor. Maybe I'll pop a picture up and the way I bought it. But I'll put that in there. Here or here, maybe just all over here. I found the old rusty screw, regular Phillips head. I'm gonna stick it in there, just so I can make sure that everything is tight. Hope I get a screwdriver down in there. Yeah, did a shorter one. All right, found the keys. We're gonna see if the battery's any good. See if it stay charged for this time period. Alright, just got to put the little inside piece on, and try to wash it again and see if anything else leaks on it. Hopefully not. Get it cleaned up. I got to change the mirror because it was bad from the hurricane. And I'm gonna drive it for a while. I don't even know if this light bulb works. Oh my word. That. Now we can put it back in. Alright, so next project is getting this off the trailer and seeing about fixing that hole in the oil pan. Can you see it? I don't even know where it went. Yeah. Let's get it off the trailer.